So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Utkarsh. I live in Poland and I make vlogs. So in case if you are new to my channel, so just make sure you check out my channel and consider subscribing. I mean, एक सब्सक्राइब कर देना यार, अच्छा लगता है. And the time right now is 18:22 and it's still very bright outside. Today is freaking hot. The temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. पता नहीं यार, इंडिया से भी ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ना शुरू हो गई है. Right now I feel it's more hot than India. I mean, इंडिया में भी इतनी गर्मी नहीं पड़ती है और गर्मी होती है. Then we have air conditioners and fans. और यहाँ पे you can see the ceiling. यहाँ पे फैन वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता है, तो फिर बस भाई ऐसे ही काम चल रहा है. So this afternoon, भाई क्या क्यों गिर रहा है ये? This afternoon my packet arrived and this packet is from Amazon. You already know what's inside the box, right? I'm so excited. So in Poland we don't have Amazon, so I had to order this from Amazon Germany. I don't know why it took so long. It took almost like 2 weeks to get my packet delivered. Maybe, I don't know, something wrong happened. But finally it's here. तो चलिए unboxing शुरू करते हैं. I'm so excited bro. Like, how to open this? So let's start with the big box. और भाई अपन के पास चाकू वगैरह है नहीं, तो अपन हाथ से करेंगे अनबॉक्सिंग. So literally my GoPro just like flew off. Oh my god bro. I hope it's fine and solid piece है, solid. I always wanted to buy the GoPro as a secondary camera because using the GoPro is very like easy. I mean, when I vlog in the public, because of my huge DSLR, people just keep weird stare. So I hope now with the GoPro it will be like fine. Also recently when I went for the hike, I just realized that I should have an action camera. So that's the reason I bought GoPro. And yes, I bought this GoPro for my like YouTube money. I feel so blessed. So let me just show you how the box look like. Here are some features mentioned. मैं बता दूंगा क्या features हैं. This is how the packing looks like. I don't really want to open the box because it looks so good in the box. I have no idea how to open this. Oh, it's here. Woo! So this is how it looks like. I just love the smell of new gadgets. Comment down below if you love the same. तो यहाँ पे कुछ पता नहीं गाइड एक्सेसरीज वगैरह है, तो इसकी तो हमें ज़रूरत है नहीं. So this is the first time I'm doing some unboxing, so just stay tuned और I hope कि आपको अच्छा लग रहा होगा. And also here they have some sort of like clip. I don't know what this is used for because I've never used the GoPro before. And yeah, I forgot to tell you the model of the GoPro is GoPro Hero 8. So this is the newest version of the GoPro. And here in the box they have given a Type-C charging cable. And here they have a small cute little battery. Battery कुछ ज़्यादा छोटा नहीं है. कैमरा भी छोटा है तो यार बैटरी तो छोटी होगी ना, मतलब क्या सेंस लगाना. I don't know how to screw this off. Let me just figure out. Okay, so basically you have to pull this up. Then ये भी खोलना होता है, ये नॉब, ये जो भी बोल लो इसको, स्क्रू नॉब पता नहीं है क्या बोलते हैं. एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट टेक दिस ऑफ. I think that's how it is. और ये पता नहीं. Oh, okay, this is for the mount. Okay, so you can actually see the difference between my DSLR. You have seen my DSLR, right? This is just so small and tiny. The video quality will be as good as my DSLR, or at least as good as my DSLR. अभी के लिए इसको साइड में रखते हैं. And I bought some accessories from my GoPro, and this is like the one of them. So basically, this is the dual battery charger. This is like the charging setup for the GoPro as an additional battery and like a charger. Because GoPro की बैटरी वैसे बहुत लंबी नहीं चलती है, तो अब इसकी भी अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं क्या है ये. And here I've got another cable which is quite good. I'm glad they provided an extra cable. Yeah, so this is the another battery I was talking about. और फिर और क्या है इसमें? Basically this is the charger of the GoPro. So you can just put the battery, you can just plug the battery over here. और फिर इसको USB Type-C से आप चार्ज कर सकते हो. एंड दिस एक्चुअली फास्ट चार्जर फॉर द GoPro बैटरी. तो भैया लगता है खर्चा कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया, पर कोई नहीं, देखते हैं. एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट वी हैव इन द लास्ट पैकेज. ओ भाई क्यों गिर रहा है. सो फॉर द एसेसरीज आई हैव परचेज्ड दिस हेड माउंट फॉर doing cycling or some trekking or other hiking stuff. This is how the box look like of the head mount. This box they're gonna provide you with another screw for the GoPro, for mounting the GoPro. Here we have a headband which is again from GoPro. Feels very premium. मतलब पैसा लगा है भाई तो premium क्या, मतलब ठीक है, खर्चा हो गया बहुत. And this is an additional clip for the GoPro, so you can use it if you like. तो इसको भी साइड में रखते हैं. Other box which I have is Shorty. And this is basically a tripod for vlogging with the GoPro. टेप निकल नहीं रहा है. That's it. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही छोटा नहीं है. This looks very familiar to me. So basically this is the tripod which I got for the GoPro, the Shorty, whatever you say it. तो ऐसे इसको you can just pull this open. It's so small and it's so like handy. So here you can look at all the mess I have created. You can see the tripod is like very sleek. You can this is how small the tripod looks like literally. So you can just keep it here and आप vlogging कर सकते हैं. So now let me just turn on the camera and let's see how to turn it on. Here I have a power button. I hope कि on हो जाना चाहिए. Oh wait, battery तो लगाई नहीं. यार ये खुल नहीं रहा. I have no idea how to open this GoPro. So let me just quick watch some YouTube videos.
1 hour later.
मतलब कि ऐसा पोपट हुआ ना, ये ऐसे रेड दिख रहा है. You just have to pull this off और ये बस खुल गया. So now let me just put the battery in. फिर देखते हैं क्या. Oh shit, where is the micro SD card? I ordered a micro SD card as well. Oh, here it is. So basically I've also ordered a SanDisk 200 gigabytes memory card. I bought this 200 GB because I just wanted to have a bigger capacity memory card. नहीं चाहता कि बार बार change करो memory card and all those hassle. तो भाई प्लास्टिक निकालने की जो फीलिंग है ना, something else bro. इसको ऑन करते हैं. Okay. So now you can see I'm vlogging with my GoPro. ये ऑन हो गया और फिर इसकी सेटिंग लैंग्वेज वगैरह आप देख लेना, जो भी है इंग्लिश वगैरह मैं कर देता हूँ. They're asking me to install the GoPro application. Okay, so let me just install the GoPro application real quick. तो ये डाउनलोड हो रहा है GoPro का एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड हो गया है and now I'm just setting this up. So let me just set this up real quick and then I'm gonna show you the sample video, like how does it actually look like, the quality with the GoPro. And bro, right now I'm vlogging with my GoPro, so आप quality देख सकते हो. ये कैमरे के अंदर कैमरे से vlogging हो रही है. So guys, right now I'm vlogging with my Canon M50 and this is the actual footage from GoPro, and you can see the difference between the qualities. But I think GoPro should also be quite decent. Personally, I think the Canon might be like better. The quality of Canon should obviously be better because more expensive. So yeah, that's the quick comparison between both of the cameras. So this is how my new vlogging setup gonna look like. This is just so small and sleek, and I think it's very comfortable to especially vlog in public. So I'm quite excited for that. So now let's talk about how much I actually paid for this GoPro. As I already mentioned in the beginning of this video, yes, I bought this camera from the YouTube money which I earned in the month of June. So officially I got monetized on YouTube on July 27th. I still remember the date because that was my birthday and it was the best present ever. So you guys must be thinking कि अगर monetize July 27th को हुआ है, so how we actually made money in the month of June. If you are my regular viewer, as you can already see from the video, I was sponsored by Skillshare for one of my videos, and also I made money with affiliate marketing with Skillshare. So basically I just put the link in the description and people signed up with my link and I was paid $7 for every sign up. So I'm really thankful to you guys because आपके support के बिना ये possible नहीं हो पाता. Let me tell you how much was my GoPro. GoPro was for 1900 Polish zloty, which is somewhere around like 40,000 Indian rupees, and the extra battery plus the charger was for like 250 zlotys. तो ये कितने हो गए, like 1900 plus 250, and for the tripod and 200 gigabytes memory card I paid like 350 zlotys. तो ये हो गए 2150 plus 350 zlotys. So for my whole setup I paid like 2500 Polish zlotys, which is somewhere around 49,820 Indian rupees. पता है मुझे खर्चा कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया, but I think this is one time investment. I really felt the need of buying a GoPro. Actually I was confused between buying a GoPro and drone. अगर ये support बना रहा तो यार drone भी ले लेंगे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. So guys, again thank you so much for all the love and support you people show me. के support के बिना ये possible नहीं हो पाता. That's pretty much for this video. I really hope you enjoyed my vlog for some reason. If you did, just make sure you thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel. और अगर वीडियो यहाँ तक देख लिया तो यार सब्सक्राइब करके जाना, ठीक है? And I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then,